What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is your boy Mark here from Savage Marketing Hacks, and I wanted to just thank you for taking the next step in your journey. If you made it this far and you're on this page, that means you're interested. And you're interested in taking the next step into the One Funnel Away Challenge. Now, I want to let you guys know from personal experience, the One Funnel Away Challenge has been absolutely life-changing for me. I have learned everything from soup to nuts, from creation of your account all the way to launching your funnel and which traffic to drive to your funnel and everything in between. And it's just been an incredible opportunity, 30 days of action-packed and hand-holding and coaching calls. And so real quick, I want to bring you through just my membership portal, the back end of the One Funnel Away Challenge. Shh, don't tell anybody because I might get in trouble for this. I'm not really sure, but I wanted to give you everything you needed to know so that you can make an educated decision and maybe cancel any lies that you may have at the end of this video. So the membership portal is basically where all the videos are posted. Now, you have two places they're going to be posted. They're going to be posted in the official, which is called the Secret Mission area right here. It goes to the Facebook group, and they have Facebook groups designated for each month that the One Funnel Away Challenge runs. So at the end of the One Funnel Away Challenge for that month, they archive the group, and it's a brand new group for the next one. So it's just never-ending new people going through this 30-day challenge, and it never gets old. And they do that. They archive it at the end so that you'll take action and you won't kind of just kick the tires and hang out and be an information taker and not execute. So I think that's a very smart strategy. In the mission control, mission training, you have every video, and basically a video goes live every day. Some of the topics that they cover is basically the first week is like a pre-game or a pre-challenge. And it basically all talks about your mindset. It talks about combating and going against doubt and demolishing fear and getting rid of any questions that you have or fears of moving forward or fears of failure. It really goes into your mindset. And I think that, probably is the most important part of the One Funnel Away Challenge is actually the going through your mentality, your mindset, the week before or the week and a half before the challenge actually starts. So that right there is a game changer. They talk about failure and talk about the who, not the how. The information that they give you is so simple and so straightforward that even your elementary school child can probably participate with you. Your middle school child can definitely participate with you. And if you have a high schooler, man, set them up on this challenge on their own, and they'll be able to launch their own funnel at the end of the challenge as well. They talk about beliefs, offer hacking. They talk about the greatest showman, offer sequencing, e-covers, and other assets. So basically, they teach you how to design and where to look for your e-covers to be created. And they give you options to choose from. How to publish. Publishing is like podcasting, YouTube, Instagram stories, Facebook. They teach you and they encourage you how to publish. And the key to really growing a following and a culture is to publish content on a regular basis. Then they give you awesome ideas and resources on how to do that. They go ahead and talk about the Epiphany Bridge, which is your story, your origin story, which is how you got started in your particular opportunity that you're going to be presenting. So it's all wrapped around your offer, how you got involved in what you're going to be offering the next person. And then there's a couple catch-up days. Catch-up days are definitely awesome because you can go back and relearn and rewatch things if you feel like they're going too fast. They have plenty of catch-up days, so you don't have to worry about not having enough time. Core funnel strategies, sharing your funnel, bonuses, the squeeze page. They talk about the sales page, the OTO, which is the one-time offer. Now, that's what makes funnels so special, is funnels, especially through ClickFunnels, they give you the opportunity and the option to create one-time offers. And you can create as many one-time offers as you want to kind of upsell your lead into buying more. So it gives you a greater cart value. They teach you how to create membership area, 3 types of traffic. They talk about organic traffic, paid traffic, and traffic through your Dream 100, which is the next day they talk about that. Your Dream 100 is basically a list of 100 people that you look up to or that you aspire to be like or that you want to partner with. And you basically write that list down and you look for opportunities to get on their blogs or get on their YouTube channel or partner with them some way, some shape or form so that you can grow your audience off of them, it's an incredible strategy. Then they talk about earning your way in, buying your way in, and then the last week, which was just this last couple days, they talk about funnel audibles, and it's kind of just going back and answering questions and reworking some things, and kind of the completion of your journey. Now, some of the bonuses that I just wanted to kind of let you know, Russell is going to be adding is the 30-day summit interviews. So the 30-day summit interviews is basically they took a bunch of 6, 7, and 8-figure earners, and they basically asked them this question: if you lost everything, what would you do in a simple, easy to follow format to start from scratch and to build your organization and build your company again? And they were able to interview these people, and there's a book that goes along with it as well. Now, they're also going to give you access to their affiliate bootcamp down here at the bottom. Now, the affiliate bootcamp is an entire course in and of itself that gives you everything you need to know on how to successfully launch an affiliate marketing business, which is basically taking somebody else's product and services and selling them for a commission. And that right there is awesome too, because I know people that are making, let's just say, a lot of money. Let's just keep it at that. A couple of the bonuses that you're going to be getting within the One Funnel Away challenge that Russell Brunson is going to be giving you. Obviously, we talked about the 30-day video mission from Russell himself. We got the 30-day coaching calls from Steven Larson, which basically he's like the executioner, they call him, where he just helps you execute and really go after your goals and your mindset behind what you want to achieve. Then we have Julie Stoian, which she goes through the nuts and bolts, and she shows you how to build things. You have the One Funnel Away Challenge customized kit, which is the physical box that comes to you in the mail. That's why it's good to jump in the One Funnel Away Challenge a little early so you can get your box ahead of time, open it. And it's really cool to make an unboxing video, because then you can use that unboxing video to promote and share with other people. And if they end up signing up with your affiliate link, which everybody gets an affiliate link, you can make $100 per pop when they sign up with your link. So that is pretty awesome too. A couple other bonuses they give you is a physical copy of their challenge workbook, which is great to take notes in, an MP3 player with the 30 days, basically 30days.com, which is interviews from the top marketers and top business builders. You get an unlimited access to the 30-day interviews, which is in the membership portal that I just showed you. And you get behind the scenes 2 Comma Club interviews as well. Now, to sweeten up the deal a little more, what we here at Savage Marketing want to give away to you are going to be the following. We want to give you a dream vacation bonus package. Now, just this in itself would be worth it for you to join with us and sign up with our affiliate link. So I have 10 vouchers that I'm able to give away, and this is part of our thank you. One of the other things we're going to give you is the Ultimate System Training Course. This course by itself is $997, and it gives you everything you need to know on how to create your account, how to build your first funnel, how to launch it, how to drive traffic to it as well. It's kind of just an added bonus alongside of the One Funnel Away Challenge. It's just extra help for those who really need to dive in and go through more video tutorials. This is exactly what you need. I also give you free access to my private Facebook community. I feel like it's my way of giving back. It's a place where you can get questions answered and have support in your endeavors. And last but not least, I'm going to give you this funnel that you went through, that you opted into, that you're watching this video right now. I'm going to give this funnel to you. I already created it. I spent hours creating it, and I want to give it to you through what's called a share funnel. Now, that total value is over $3,873. That's for the Dream Vacation, the Ultimate System Training Course, the access to my private Facebook group, this exact funnel that I'm going to give you, and private coaching from me. Now, you're not going to pay that amount. You're not going to pay anywhere near that amount. The One Funnel Away Challenge is a simple $100 fee. It's a one-time fee. And basically all that covers is your materials. That covers the box. That covers the physical box of goods that gets shipped out and comes to your house. $100 is all you pay, and that's for your physical materials that come straight to you. Now, what would this do for your life if all it did was help you launch your first product and you were able to get 4 to 10 times back what you invested into this opportunity? How would that change your life? I know it's changed my life already, and I want to give you guys the opportunity to. All you have to do is click that button down below, guys, and drop your email address in the pop-up that's going to pop up on your screen. Drop your email address. Let us know where we can send your bonuses to. Put your name in there so I, can get an introduction, know who I'm working with. And once you click submit, you're going to be brought over to the official One Funnel Away challenge page where you're going to be able to pay for your One Funnel Away challenge. You're going to have a video of Russell talking a little bit more about the challenge, and you'll basically have all the information that I already gave you. Then you're going to have an order form. Put in your name, your address, where they can ship the box out to you. Put in your credit card information, and they're going to charge your credit card $100. That's a one-time fee. You don't have to pay anything else after that, and that's it. You'll get a confirmation email. You'll get a couple emails from me, and we will send the bonuses out in the 3rd week of the challenge, just to make sure you're serious, just to make sure anybody that uses our link is not just doing it because they want the free vacation. So I look forward to having you join our Facebook group. You can also click the button down below to join our Facebook group, or click the link in your email, and I will see you guys in the next challenge. Reach out to me if you guys have any questions. Take care. God bless.